Video is a little bit different than what I normally be doing. It's still music related, but I'm gonna be showing you how to use AI to help you make album covers. So I'm just gonna get straight into it. This is Gemini AI by Google, and I was working on an album cover the other day. I'm not really like a GFX guy. I just know a little bit of Photoshop, and then it dawned on me like I could just be working smarter instead of harder. And so I just told the AI, I was like, generate a picture of a cell phone that says call me. But basically typed it into the AI, and then it just generated like a pic, basically what I needed. But I was like, all right, let me show you what it actually generated. I'm gonna open my Photoshop so you can see. So it actually generated like this, and I was like, all right, that's cool, but I need something more aesthetic. So what I did was I took the picture that I downloaded, and I basically said, make this like pastel gothic. And I opened up my files, and then I just uploaded the picture of the phone. Like literally, just take like Gemini phone 2 or what was that picture called? Either way, I just took a picture of the phone, boom, opened it, and then, yeah, submit. And then like you'll see, like you could just be working a lot smarter by using AI. Like if you're a graphic designer and like graphic design is your passion, yeah, I'm sorry, but if you're just like me, you just want to make music and you need album art, this is a good way to go about it. And you can see like, oh, that's way more aesthetic, right? That's a little creepy, but you know, it's a rough version. And let me show you what it actually generated when I did it the first time. So when I did it the first time, it actually generated this. And I was like, yo, that's damn near perfect. Like, I'll probably just have to like cut out the phone. And then I thought about it, I was like, why would I even work that hard? So the next thing I did was I went back into Gemini, and I was like, this new prompt, boom. And then I said, generate neon gothic border frame, and let's see what it, boom. And we got something like this, right? Like this is damn near perfect. Let me show you what it actually generated. It generated, boom, that right there. And so to make the album art, I basically just took these AI generated prompts and stitched them together to make this. And you know, it's nothing crazy, but I was able to do it so fast by just taking the AI generated prompts and stitching them together to make an album cover that pretty much goes with the song that I'm releasing. So yeah, this is just some ideas for you artists out there, like using AI to make album art. You know, yeah, I'm still using Photoshop, but I'm generating the small things with AI instead of...
Why won't you call me? You see that I'm balling. Think about you often, kissing your face softly. Why won't you call me? It feels like I'm falling.